Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful paper flower using simple materials. This flower is easy to make and perfect for school projects, wall decoration, greeting cards or handmade gifts. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let me show you the materials required. You will need color paper. I'm using pink, yellow and red paper, pencil, scissor and glue. These are very basic materials and you can easily find them at home. Now let's start the petals. Take the pink color paper and draw a petal shape. Keep the petal smooth and rounded. Once you draw one petal, cut it carefully using scissors. Now use the petals as a template and draw more petals on the same paper. For this flower, I am using multiple petals to give a full and layered look. After drawing all the petals, cut them neatly. Take your time while cutting so the petals look clean and even. If you want, you can make more flowers in different colors and use them for decoration. This paper flower is perfect for school craft work, festival decoration, scrapbooks or DIY room decor. It is simple, fun and clean, be made by beginners as well. Now we will start arrange the petals. Take one petal and apply a small amount of glue at the bottom. Paste it on the flat surface of base. I am using cardboard. Next, place another petal slightly overlapping the first one. Continue pasting the petals in circular shape. Make sure all the petals are evenly spaced. This will give the flower nice balanced look. Once the first layer is complete, and another layer of petals on the top to make flower look more realistic and fluffy. Art and craft is my passion. I would like to share my passion with all of you using this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share and ask your questions in the comments. In this channel you can see more paper flower tutorials, best out of waste craft ideas, school crafts, festival decoration ideas, wall decoration ideas. This video contains Amazon affiliate links. When you purchase through the links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support my art and craft channel. Thank you for your support. Now let's move the center part of the flower. Take the red color paper and cut small strips. Make tiny cuts along one side of the strip to create a fringy pattern. Roll this strip tightly from one end to other and secure it with glue. This will from the inner center of the flower. Next, take the yellow color paper and make a similar fringy strips but slightly wider. Wrap the yellow color strip around the red center and glue it properly. This combination of looks makes the flower look bright and attractive. The new video will be published every Thursday at 6 pm and every Sunday at 6 pm. I hope you all like this simple and beautiful paper flower idea. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy craft ideas. Thank you so much for watching. My channel is all about my favorite art and craft. This is my creative crafts, DIY, wall decor, home decor, paper crafts, best out of waste, woolen crafts, Diwali decorations, Ugadi decorations, Christmas decorations, Ramjan decorations, Father's Day gift ideas, Mother's Day gift ideas, Raksha Bandhan gift ideas, Teachers' Day gift ideas, Eid Mubarak craft ideas, wall hanging craft ideas, paper flowers, Children's Day crafts, flower vase making ideas, kindergarten, middle school, high school crafts, project works, photo frames, ice cream sticks, craft ideas, Independence Day, Republic Day, craft ideas, and anything that makes home beautiful place. I would like to share my passion with all of you using this YouTube channel. Home decoration. Wall decor for living rooms, bedrooms or staircase, table centerpiece and vase arrangements, door hangings and photo frame decorations. We can use these flowers. Also events and celebrations, wedding backdrops, stage decor and easel decor, birthday parties, baby showers, anniversaries, festival decoration, Diwali, Christmas, Valentine's Day, etc. Gift and craft uses, handmade greeting cards, gift wrapping, topper and bouquets, scrapbooks, journals and memory albums, educational and DIY projects, school art and craft projects, learning color shapes and creative for kids, eco-friendly craft activities. Next, business and display, shop window displays, photo shoot props, handmade craft selling items, great for small business. Next, eco-friendly alternative, reusable and long-lasting, no watering, no maintenance, perfect replace for article plastic flowers. Paper flowers are easy to make, budget friendly and perfect for decoration. So let's see the different uses of paper flowers. Next, take the yellow color paper and make it small fringed strip but slightly wider. Wrap the yellow paper around the red color center paper, the back of the flower center, and carefully paste in the middle of the pink petals. Press gently and hold it for few seconds so it stick well, and just like that our paper flower is almost ready. You can also adjust the petals slightly using your fingers. It gives the flower a more natural shape. If you want, you can make more flowers in the different colors and use them the decoration. The paper flower is perfect for school craft work. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it your thumbs up and share it with your friends.